What's going on, sixth grade learners, sixth grade coders? This is the lesson for the week of November 30th. The week of November 30th. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving like I did. Let's go ahead and dive in today's lesson. We're going to continue with our course E. And again, this is on code.org. Got to go through Clever, on to Calvin Middle School Saints. Go through Clever. Go find the code.org. You sign in. You know how to get here. And you're going to go to GridView. Always go to GridView. It's a lot easier to see all the green bubbles that hopefully we have now. And man, we've been doing a lot of great work. And we're going to scroll down all the way to lesson 11, lesson number 11. Okay, and as you see, this is a rather lengthy one. So let's go ahead and get started so you can get started. And if you don't get all the way finished, that's okay. For my remote learners, again, our class is only an hour, 60 minutes. So spend about an hour on this. And if you're not done, you're not finished. So, but all I'm asking for, like I ask for each and every week, is effort. So let's go. We're going to lesson 11, nestled loops in the maze. So I'm going to go ahead and click Bubble 1, lesson 11. Again, Bubble 1, lesson 11 is what you're going to click in just a moment. And here we are loading here. It's taking longer than usual. It may need to reload a no, we're good. Okay, so couple things here. This obviously it gets more difficult as it goes on, and the big thing, 9 times out of 10, if you read the instructions, you're going to be successful, okay? You have to read the instructions. I can't tell you how many emails I get, and I don't care to answer your emails, but they say, what to do? What do we do on lesson 5? I copy and paste the instructions, and they're like, oh, thank you, I got it. The directions are there. You got to read them. Obviously, and then I think you'll be successful. So you're going to, if you get stuck, there's a hint right there at the light bulb, so you can choose that if you need to. And I'm going to do the first one together with you guys. And you see the bee, he's not quite to the flowers here, and the flowers have nectar, and obviously the bee wants the nectar. And notice you're going to have to pay close attention to the nectar. There's one here, one there, okay, and those numbers will change. So we need to definitely move forward one, and as you see, it added a block to my workspace. I'm trying to solve this puzzle in this one specifically in 5 blocks or less. If I solve it using more, it will light up green, but it will be a light green. We want it to be dark green, saying we complete it. And it's okay to click run. Let's click run. It didn't quite get there. It does not matter how many times you click run. If it were me, I would click run and see what happens every time I put in a block. I would do that. So now I need to move forward one more time, and then I need to get nectar. Well, let's watch. He's moved forward, and as you see, and we got to go do that again, move forward and get nectar. Now, here's the thing. Notice here, it's used 6 blocks, okay? We only supposed to use 5. So when you get to that point, you want to find yourself a pattern. And here is my pattern right here. See, move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. This is huge right here, this multiplier block. And I know these can be confusing, but this right here, let me show you an example. I want to repeat this twice. Let me put those in there. These here in the shaded area do the exact same thing. The difference is I use 1, 2, 3 blocks over here. I use 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks there. They do the exact same thing. And as you notice, you can put more than one. You can put a repeat inside a repeat, and you're going to have to do that in some cases. to solve these puzzles. And now notice.
I'm not sure I understand.
Oh, Siri, stop talking to me. You're going to notice that we're at our limit, 5 of 5. Let's run it and see if that happens, if that works. All right, we're good. And that's how you solve number 1. And you're going to have to be using those multiplier, those pink blocks very consistently to get through these. Most of those are practice. Some are prediction, where you just click A, B, C, or D, read the code, see what you think's going to happen, and see if you can get done. I've only had a few students get finished on Monday with all 13. So this is going to be a challenge. We've got to persevere. Obviously, reading the directions is helpful. Reach out to me if you get stuck on any. But our goal is to try to get finished with lesson 11 for this week, okay? So that's it, 6th grade. I hope you guys are successful, and I hood-tastic day. We'll see you later.